Most people think happiness is a destination, but the Japanese concept of Ikigai reveals it's a blueprint for longevity. You'll learn how to harmonize your deepest passions with the world's needs to finally unlock a sense of sustainable purpose. Ikigai translates to a reason for being, existing at the intersection of four circles: what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. Unlike Western goals focused on profit, Ikigai emphasizes balance. For example, an accountant who loves gardening finds purpose by volunteering at community plots on weekends. This alignment prevents burnout because your energy comes from contribution, not just exhaustion. Surprisingly, Ikigai isn't about grand achievements or changing the world overnight. In Okinawa, the longest, living people view their purpose through small, daily rituals, preparing tea or tending a garden. These micro-purposes keep the mind sharp and the spirit connected. It's not about finding one big dream. It's about ensuring your daily actions serve a meaningful reason to rise each morning. Studies show that people with a strong sense of Ikigai possess higher levels of health and life satisfaction. But how do you identify your specific intersection when you feel stuck? Stick around, because finding your unique blueprint is simpler than you think. Ikigai transforms life from a daily grind into a purposeful journey by aligning your talent with tangible value. By prioritizing your reason for being, you reclaim your time and energy. If you found this insight valuable, hit the and comment your Ikigai below to help others find theirs.